Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Forte 4 SX, which is the very top trim level. The car has aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirrors, and a sunroof, and a few other features we're going to talk about. That big green sticker in the upper right hand corner of the windshield says the car qualifies for the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Check out the features and benefits of that program when you're here to test drive the car. As we go down the car, in the side window there's a sticker that says Sirius XM is on, which indicates that you get 3 months free Sirius radio as a trial. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. That top button is to make the mirrors fold in. Driver's seat is also a memory seat, 2 positions. We have rear cross traffic alert and a heated leather steering wheel. Forte only has 25,817 kilometers. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as various other functions for the car. There's the Sirius XM radio. We also have navigation in this unit and a backup camera. Dual zone climate control for your comfort. And down below a couple of charging ports and an auxiliary and USB input for your devices. We have heated and cooled driver's seat, a heated passenger seat, and a drive mode control. Up above we have a sunroof. Driver's seat is powered. And on the floor are the controls for the trunk and for the gas door. The rear of the vehicle, we have heated leather seats in the back. Plenty of room back here for your comfort of your passengers. Going around to the trunk. A really large trunk for carrying suitcases, sports gear, outdoor equipment, groceries, anything you need for your family. Shot of that SX badge. Test drive this little Kia Forte SX. Come on down to West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, 11 to 5 on Sunday, and most holidays. Best way to make an informed decision about any car you're thinking of purchasing, is to actually drive the car. Bring the family down. Take it for a test drive. See how well the car fits into your lifestyle.